right, welcome to VWLIFE, and today it's going to be a little weird. We're working after work.
It is. Yeah. It's a Tuesday work day, and the good news is we already accomplished supper. The boycott is over.
We ate at Schlotzsky's.
Yeah, my self-imposed 3-year boycott is over, and these guys supported me.
But why were you boycotting them?
Because they did not take my coupon.
He was screaming at the manager because they would not take his coupon.
I was not screaming.
Oh no, he was like, well, you can give me a coupon, blah 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 blah. And it was like, well, I'll go eat a Taco Bell.
And I did.
And you ate a Taco Bell for the first time in like 10 years.
It was the last time I ate Taco Bell, too.
Water under the bridge. Time to work on a Vanagon.
Water under the bridge. So we decided to do a little weekday work today. So first of all, I think we should go over and look at our list.
All right, we'll go over the list for the Vanagon.
So we have a few things on that, and we can kind of make a little game plan for this evening.
And we'll do a giveaway. If you guys want to stick around, we'll do another giveaway. Stick around for that and how you can win. And maybe we'll talk about some of the June bug stuff we got going on.
Yes, good plan. So this means the box means it's things we purchased. And they're here. We just haven't installed them yet. So outside sliding door handle has been done, given to us by GoWesty. Sliding door rear bushing, that's that Westy table. Gas cap's been installed.
No, it has not.
Oh, it hasn't?
There's no gas tank, so you should write that back on.
You should write that back on. Gas cap. Oh yeah, because the gas, it doesn't have anything on there right
now. There's no gas.
Oh yeah.
There's no tube.
Scuff paint. Oh, scuff paint, Westy top. Done. Cut rear hatch panel. Remove AC parts? Yes. Wiper blades, paint wiper arms, visor clips, passenger floor. That has been done. That just hadn't been welded in. Yeah. Door handle seals, back side closet clean, pinch weld, trim cabinets, vapor barrier, door panels, door muffler, paint window trim, Westy sink working, get running, shifter bushing kit, fuel tank crossover tube, drain gas done. S-boot, grill, and pop seal. Top seal's done.
Let birds hatch eggs.
Yes.
Should put it on there.
Let's see.
See if I can get a.
We got a bird's nest.
Here.
Make sure there are no eggs in it.
Here.
Oh, I think I see eggs.
I don't see eggs.
Here, go up. Turn your camera up. Get more.
Oh my gosh, we got eggs.
Yeah, just leave them in there.
We got eggs in the Vanagon.
Just leave them in there. They ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Wait, we can't do anything. I mean, how long will it take to hatch the things?
How long is the look up gestation?
Not even.
A week or two?
A month or two, isn't it? It's not that long.
Bird nest. Eggs.
Egg hatching.
Egg hatching. Yeah, let's see if the starter's an issue. Okay.
So we're just gonna swap the starter.
Is it one of these?
And the battery.
Yeah, it's the Die Hard.
Oh, you got a Die Hard? Oh.
Nothing but the best.
I hate how batteries don't come with handles anymore. You know that?
All right.
Commies with that.
That's just un-American.
It's not American.
This looks professional.
Oh yeah, I did that.
Yeah. What's going on there?
They just crimped it in there.
It's so thick because.
Because of that big old triple. And what is that? That extra ground?
That's the ground.
That's the old ground. Come on. Can we block put the parking brake on? This thing keeps rolling back and forth.
Oh yeah.
Is it in neutral? Should be right.
All right, let's see.
That's a ground issue.
Yeah.
It's not getting the proper. Did we measure what the power is to the starter?
Not many amperage are going in. No.
Unhook this back there at the because it's to the starter, right?
Yeah.
Unhook it to the starter. We'll run our own cable to it to the battery.
Yeah.
Have you looked at the starter? It's a jumbled mess.
I haven't. That's my next mission. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, that's half the problem. It's got a hard start relay on it. The wiring looks terrible. Here's this big giant wire cable. What is this green wire, too? It's an extra ground there.
Okay, so Gary is cutting out the hard start relay. We don't trust that.
Yeah, that
relay's bad.
It could be. This one wire out here looks really bad. Like, we're not getting, it doesn't have a good connection. That might be the problem. That stud is loose.
On the starter?
Yeah.
Remember we had him get under here and jumping it.
And it still did the same thing.
Yeah.
That's what makes me think it's the starter.
Yeah.
Let's just put a new starter on.
You just want to throw that starter in here?
Oh, Lord. Look at that.
That ain't right.
No, that's terrible.
Okay, so now what are you doing?
Take a starter off.
Alright, is this very similar to a split or a bay window?
Yeah, it should be very similar.
So basically 2 long bolts?
Yeah. Stud on the bottom and
a moon bolt on the top?
Yeah.
Is that something we should remove from the inside and the top?
You can see if you can see it. I don't know if you can on these Vanagons. I don't know. Cement feels good, doesn't it?
Oh, it's like a sauna. It's like a hot plate at a Mexican restaurant.
Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my
It was 104 when I came over here. It's only June.
I know.
Going to Top Boss.
That big orange or white. Oh. So it's that bolt right there.
Fourth bolt.
It's that bolt.
Yeah, it's that one. Yep. All right, we found it. Just like on a split.
But it's not easy to reach it, really.
I think he does have a 17 with a spinner on it. I hear something. What is that sound? What is that sound? Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dang. Extreme power. What a hoonigan. And now it's time for the giveaway. We're going to give away this VWLIFE poster to one lucky winner. All you have to do is write poster in the comments below and we'll pick one winner. Just say poster in the comments and we'll pick a winner.
Hey, guess what I got you?
What?
Woo! The rabbit's going fast.
Oh, rollers.
Nope.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
45 DCOEs, baby.
Yeah. They're all cleaned inside, ready.
Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Tommy B. Smith.
Yeah. For now, they should be fully functional. They had so much gunk in them, it was crazy.
It's a wonder it actually even
all
ran
that
on.
varnish.
Yeah.
Well, there was one not working whatsoever. These, I will show you the list of them, how many DCOEs there are. There's like 50 different DCOEs. And even between these, there are 2 different DCOEs. Ooh. So there was the pump rod for the accelerator. One of these was like literally like this much longer. So there's one this long and one like this long, which means that one was getting more squirt than the other.
The whole time. It's been like that forever.
Ever since it was created.
That's why this thing never ran with a flip.
No, that's not the case.
Well,
but at the end of the day, if you want them to be equal, it just so happens that they're the down rod. So there's a pump rod and then there's a that holds on the piston. That's actually in different locations too. The 2 that you had were exactly the same on the down rod, but the long rod were 2 different ones. So I actually just ground it and cleaned it up and I made the 2 equal. So I basically, this DCOE, there's a DCOE, I think, what is that?
16 and 15.
16 and 15. I made them both 15s. I think that's the 2 differences.
So what you're saying is these are slightly different carburetors.
They're the exact same carburetor, but they're slightly different. And all of them have a little bit of something different. Even if you look in these holes right here, this is where the progression ports are. In different DCOEs, they're actually in different locations. So that actually would mean that that carburetor would function different. Same body, same part number, 45 DCOE, but you got to make sure that the last ones are different. So there's like 1 through 1500 or something like that. You should see the list. It's like this long, a microscope.
Wow.
You would not believe how many different 45 DCOEs you can get.
All right, Gary's putting in the new starter. We're gonna start. You've seen this before, the old weather sealing, right?
Vapor barrier.
Vapor barrier. Let's do this.
That. I just got it so it doesn't push on tight. You can go above it.
I'm tight. Super tight. There's like no hand version.
All right. We got the plastic applied with the dual-sided tape, and now Martin's just gonna cut around the perimeter.
That's awesome.
And that'll seal our brand new door panels, right?
Yeah, it keeps the water that runs down your scrapers from damaging your door panels.
You said you need the 17 down there?
Yeah, tighten the bottom one.
Okay, sounds like they got the starter in.
Good Lord.
You can take the power off of the battery or something.
Yeah, you want me to take that off for you, sir?
Yeah.
Bro,
Okay, power's off.
I don't know. Alright, I got it.
All right, the guy's got the starter on. It's time to give it the true test.
Well, we'll see.
If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button right now if you think it's gonna start.
Yeah, I like that spirit.
Alright, you ready?
Ready, Captain, fire in the hole.
Yeah. It's in neutral. Nothing. What'd you take off?
Insert the.
All right, so Martin and Jake are. This is the method we use to apply door cards. It's basically a panhead screw with a shoulder,
5 inches.
and we're doing 5 inches. I agree. Yeah, you guys are
It's
busy.
fine. Hey, never coming off.
Do we have enough to cover that? I don't know. We can.
Oh yeah, there's.
How long need to be on back there?
Well, as you saw, the other starter just wasn't working. So we've got a second starter in there, and we're gonna see what happens. Oh, same kind of thing.
See if it's got power back to that.
Okay, hit the ignition switch.
Alright, keys on. You ready? Yeah.
Power to that.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try that blue and see if what's on in that.
Okay.
No, it's okay.
You're not getting any starter.
Nothing. All right, here. All right, clear. I'm gonna try bumping it.
There.
It looks like we're going back to our original. Is that correct?
So what you saw down there was the ground strap was really corroded.
Yes.
So we cleaned up the ground strap.
Hopefully, once that's cleaned up, we're gonna be good down there. And Martin and I have got the door panel on, and look at all those screws. You never want less than 20 screws. Probably 30 would be the best number.
Clear. Clear. Oh.
Battery.
Yeah.
Y'all got it?
Every time.
Does need power.
All right, we're on. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Dead.
It's not dead. It's full power back to it. Is that you? Who is that?
Me?
Oh, nice.
Okay, good. It's not turning it like it should. And not even close. I mean, go hit a start on everything. It's rum, 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 rum.
Oh yeah, no,
This is
I agree.
That's a brand.
Motor seized?
No, we've already had some of it turned over pretty fast, so I guess the next thing we can do is maybe like create that black wire as a power wire, eliminate that, and see if
it makes any difference.
yeah.
Clear.
All right, so we got the new wire here. We're gonna terminate it with a big, what is that, a lug connector? Is that what we're calling it?
Yeah.
Now don't pull something. How old are you?
47.
47? You're older than me.
Oh yeah. Nice.
47.
Who's 47?
He's 47.
He's old as.
God. What? Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, you're gonna let me.
What do you know? You're 43 or
I'm 44. At least I'm not 47.
You know how old I am?
Gonna be 60.
You're gonna be 60.
Uh-oh, you're gonna break the
Hanging out
tape.
with all these young bucks.
Yeah, I know. Showing them how it's done. Jesus!
It's gonna be tight.
Fire in a hole.
All right, we bypassed it.
at least the wiper part.
Got hot?
You get warm, so there's some restrictions somewhere.
This is primitive Pete right here.
VWLIFE.
This is.
I guess I should run a crescent wrench, huh?
Yeah, that's the only. Oh my God. We're at Indianapolis. $1 million race cars. Dude is over there. Thank God he didn't have a crescent wrench, but he had a pair of pliers. And I told Jake, I said,
Where was he, on the track?
He's working on the car in the pits. I'm going,
How'd he
your
get it
daddy, your daddy Martin would be so proud. He had a pair of pliers
On the IndyCar?
on an
doing
Indy car, just holding one end and tightening the other.
That was crazy.
We were there. All right, fire in the hole. Different. Everything. Right now, we have a brand new ground strap And we have just ran a completely new positive.
And what else is on there though? You got the wire going.
The only other wire is wired to the ignition.
But when you ground it out down there, that negates that completely.
Yeah,
it bypasses it.
Still,
yeah, I mean, look here.
Then that can't be nothing then.
Here, watch this.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. He's gonna short it out. It's slow. All right, so we've got spark plugs out, and we're gonna just see what happens.
Okay.
Whoa, it's going fast.
It was kicking. It's good going. Oh yeah, looking at. Well, it's got a little.
Why did all of a sudden speed up now?
Because it like momentum.
We're dragging that battery now too.
So that first turn, it really got going fast, and now it seems slow again. Let's see this third time. Here we go.
Whoa!
That's fast. That was fast. Now it's slowing down.
Because it's getting hot, right?
If the next time we can come over and bring my battery box, it's got a real jumper. It's a big tall one. It'd be cool to turn it over for a bit, enough to maybe see if there's an idiot light for the oil pressure. If we can get the oil pressure to go away, that says that it's building pressure and stuff. Because you should be able to get that to happen too, even if you're just doing it off the starter.
Well, looks like we're going to head down to O'Reilly's tomorrow. O'Reilly's, and get us a new starter. Auto parts.
All right, do we want to go look at the June bug shirts?
Oh yeah, let's clean up and then we'll look at the June shirts.
Yeah, so much.
Okay, for those of you who don't know, we organize a rally called the June Bug Rally, and these are the prizes.
Yep, labeled. Here's
most likely not to make
most
it.
likely not to make it. Here's
At least you tried.
yeah, at least you tried. Good karma.
Which means you really help people out. You're a good
And this
person.
is rookie of the year.
We need Martin to make a sticker.
Well, yeah.
Martin.
Here. All right, let's look at the shirts. Come on, bust open one of those boxes. You got a knife?
Yeah, I got a knife.
This is this year's.
June bug shirts.
Ooh, I like that color.
Damn, those are good looking.
We haven't had that color yet.
Nope. Indigo.
Wow. Is that what that called?
Indigo with gray ink.
Holy cow.
Let's see.
Wow.
That one came out pretty good.
Wow, wow,
Ooh,
wow.
that's not thick.
Very nice.
Just so read it.
Matoga. Wow. Look at that. Those look great. Good job, Martin.
All right, so that's pretty much it. You know, when you guys, several people have emailed us and asked how to set up a rally, and this is one of the key important things: is having a really cool shirt.
Young man.
You missed the cheesecake shot right there, Mr. Six Pack. The other things we do, expenditures, shirts, of course, and then dash flags. Bye. Bye, everybody. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was a Tuesday night, work on the Vanagon night. We accomplished supper. Yeah. And then Martin and Matt Jackson and Jake got a door panel in, and Tommy and I are in Vanagon starter Hades. But we'll get there. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, and here's pictures of everybody that sent us their VWLIFE shirts.
Yes, thank you.
Keep it up. Keep it up.